So today we're going to create an amazing Eid look for you, and I have loved creating content for you guys, and I've tried to incorporate as many tips and tricks as possible. So let's start today's tutorial. You're going to love it. So I've moisturized Varisha's skin, and now I'm going to use the primer from Amridge. I've mentioned this before as well. I really love the finish of this. It's very easy to blend. It gives you a very subtle sheen, and it really helps your foundation go on smoothly. You don't need too much, and be careful, just maybe use it in the center of the face. So this is going to help blur any pores that she has, and it's going to create an oil-free canvas so that foundation goes on smoothly. So now I'm going to use the Studio Fix Refinement Stick from Amridge. This is the shade number 3, and you guys are going to love the finish of this. So stick foundations always give a more matte and natural finish, and they are perfect for summer especially, and Eid is right around the corner and it's going to be humid, you guys. So you need something that's going to stay put and that's going to blur out your skin as well. Do you see कि ये कितना seamlessly लग रहा है skin पे? Wow! I'm going to blend it with a brush. You can see मुझे बिल्कुल भी difficulty नहीं हो रही इसको blend करने में. The trick is that your skin needs to be well hydrated, well moisturized, and any stick foundation, especially this one, would go on flawlessly on your skin. We're going to use some on the neck as well. If you're wearing a deep neck, definitely cover your neck too, because बहुत weird लगता है अगर आपकी neck और face का color different है. So shade number 3 is a really good match for Varisha. It looks natural, but still it's giving her the right amount of coverage. So now we're going to use Amridge Concealer. This is the shade 6. It's a corrector shade for Varisha. It's a lightweight, non-cakey formula. So this formula is going to help you cover your dark spots, your dark circles, or any blemishes seamlessly. It has a soft, dewy finish. Let me show you. Now I'm going to use the shade 2 to create some highlight on her face. So I'm going to apply it on the high points of her face as well, just to add a little bit more coverage. So one secret that I can share with you guys is that if you want to give coverage on your face, आपने वो foundation से नहीं देनी, आपने वो हमेशा concealer से देनी है. Why? Because अगर आप foundation से coverage दे दोगे, तो sometimes you will lose all dimension in your face, and it's going to look like a blank slate. So आपने foundation हमेशा try करनी है कि it's the closest match to your skin tone, and then if you want to highlight any part of your face, you're going to use a lighter colored concealer, just like I've done on Varisha. So now we're going to take their contour kit, and it has these beautiful shades. I love this shade for blush as well actually. So we're going to use High Achiever and Subtle Ambition for Varisha's complexion. If you want a very slight contour effect, use Subtle Ambition. If you want something a little bit more use High Achiever. So we're going to start with the cheekbones. I'm using Subtle Ambition here. I'm going to keep a very soft hand to make sure there are no harsh lines. And we just want to add some dimension because हमने पहले, so makeup is really fun. आप पहले एक चीज़ को बिल्कुल ब्लैंक करते हो, फिर आप उसमें dimension add करते रहते हो. So it's a process. So I'm adding this contour on the nose as well. I love this shade for the nose specifically because it's very subtle, but it gives you that contour look that you want. So we're going to use it on the jawline as well because everybody loves a snatched jaw. So you can see I've added some very subtle dimension on Varisha's face, and this is the star. So now we're going to use blush. This formula is really pigmented, so use them with a light hand. I'm going to go with the shade number 6. It gives this, flush from within sort of look. It's perfect for everyday wear. If you want to use it on formal events, just like we're doing right now, it's the perfect shade for that as well. So we're going to take it lightly on our angled brush and going to add it on the cheek. Don't worry, agar zyada lag bhi jaye, you can go back with your foundation brush and just blend it out. That's the beauty of this powder blush, that it's very buildable and you can always go back in for more or less. So now we're going to do the liquid highlighter. This is the shade number 2. It's called Star. It's very blingy. So we're just going to take a little bit and dab it on the cheekbones. Varisha side fitting and we're going to blend it with our sponge. You can even blend it with your finger. You guys have seen me use this multiple times. I love this formula. I even mix it in the foundation as well. So we're just going to use it a little bit here, a little bit on the center of the nose, very slightly, some on top of her eyebrow, face centimeter lock, a little bit on the chin, and then on the other side. Just like this. So you guys, the trick to flawless makeup is always that you use a light hand. अगर आपने कुछ भी चीज़ अप्लाई करनी है और शुरू में ही आप बहुत ज़्यादा लगा दोगे, तो it's always going to give you a cakey finish. So you want to make sure कि आप products कम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो. So this is going to give you a long lasting luminous finish, and इसकी trick ये है कि जब आप इसके ऊपर powder लगाओगे, so it's going to pop up even more. And this formula actually contains very teeny tiny shine particles that if you look at it up close, you will see that the hive is actually real. So now I'm going to use this highlighter kit from Amridge as well. This is number 2. You guys know that I love this. I always mix these two top shades, and since I've done a liquid highlight on her, I'm going to set it with a powder highlight. And this is something that I do on my brides as well. I always set liquids with powders so that they can last all day long and uski finish jo hai ya radiance jo hai wo kam na ho. We're going to use it just a bit on the nose, nothing too much, but jahan pe bhi humne liquid use kiya hai, we're going to use the powder. So now we're going to set the face and use this wet and dry powder. Now this is a powerhouse of a product. This is the shade number 7. It's Ivory, and we're going to set her face. It's going to give us that flawless airbrush look. So if you have any pores on the face, it's going to hide that. Always make sure कि आप जो excess product है उसको tap करके हटा रहे हो, and with a gentle hand take some product and set your face. Obviously, when you are using liquid products, it's always a great idea to set those products. It's always a great idea to set everything in place. अगर आपकी skin crease करती है, it's going to help the longevity of the makeup, and creases आपकी delay हो जाएंगी. If you want to have more coverage, आप इसको wet करके with a sponge use कर सकते हो, but I personally like to use it with a brush like this, and I feel कि इससे बहुत soft और natural finish आती है. Now we're going to use the Midnight Matte Liner. You guys, look at the tip of this. ये कितनी fine tip है. You can create such a beautiful wing with this. I'm going to show you. So this is a very intense black. It dries very quickly, so obviously you have to work smartly. बहुत ज़्यादा weight नहीं करना. It has a very rich payoff. As you can see, it's an intense black. I love it. So here's a little hack for all of you जो liner लगाने में struggle करते हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों की eyesight weak होती है या हाथ shiver करते हैं. You can take any card, you can take anything that has a pointed tip. और आपने करना ये है कि आपने उसको corner of the eye पे रखना है. अपनी भी आप ये बहुत easily लगा सकते हो if you're a working makeup artist. उसके लिए भी ये बेहतरीन है. आपने एक आई शेडो लेना है ब्लैक और आपने एक बहुत थिन सी लाइन क्रिएट करनी है लाइक दिस. डू यू सी हाउ स्मूथ दिस इज? इसके ऊपर जब आप अपना लाइनर लगाओगे, ये अभी हमने आई शेडो से बनाया है, जब आप लाइनर लगाओगे तो यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ बेस. आपने एक लाइन बना ली है एंड यू कैन ईजिली लाइन इट अप विद एनी आई लाइनर. Let me know if you guys use this trick because it is a lifesaver. Now, of course, to complete any look, you need the right lash. अब हर लैश हर आई शेप पे तो अच्छी लगती नहीं, so थोड़ा सा ट्रायल एंड एरर करके आप 2-3 लैश स्टाइल ज़रूर खरीदें and then see which one looks the best on you. Now, हमने जिस तरह की लुक अभी क्रिएट की है, we're going to try on 2 lash styles and see कि वरीशा के फेस के साथ कौन सी लैश अच्छी लग रही है. Now Blink is a lash style that is a safe bet for literally everyone. It's one of my favorite lashes. Actually मैंने भी Blink ही लगाई हुई है. So first we'll try this one. Okay, so this is the lash style Blink. आप देखोगे इसके कॉर्नर में थोड़ा सा एंड एक्सपोज्ड है, इस साइड पे भी. So obviously you need to cut this. अगर आपकी आईज बहुत छोटी हैं तो आप थोड़ा सा और भी काट सकते हो और हमेशा आपने प्रेफरेबली आउटर कॉर्नर से कट करना है, not the inner corner first. So I'm just going to place it on her eye and then we will see if this works. Look up. Oh wow. So you can see कि एकदम से look कितनी elevate हो गई है. It's soft but still formal enough कि you can wear it on a wedding. You can literally go to office, go for Eid party, anything that you want to do with the right lash. Your look is going to be a 10 on 10. Now, just for the sake of this video, I want to try on another lash style as well so that I can show you guys कि lash से कितना difference आता है. Now this is the style Crafty. I love this style as well. It's a bit more wispy and let's see if this one looks good. ये थोड़ी सी लंबी है वरीशा की आई पे. If we want to use it, we'll have to cut it. ऊपर देखना वरीशा. Oh, so you can see कि इसकी wispiness काफ़ी visible है. If you want इस तरह की look, you can go for it, but personally I'd prefer it for a wedding. I think the first one sort of looks better with the whole vibe. So we're putting on Blink. आप कोई भी lash glue use कर सकते हो. The trick is कि आपने middle में रखना है, corner पे पहले stick करना है and then on the inner corner. Obviously tweezers come in handy as working makeup artists. कभी कभी बहुत लंबे दिन के बाद हाथ वैसे ही कांपना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So it's always a good idea to use a tweezer. Now we're going to do the other eye. Close your eyes. We're going to give it a minute to dry. And obviously जब आप glue लगाते हो तो थोड़ा सा एक tint आ रहा होता है. So you'll take your liner and आपने अपनी लैश बैंड के ऊपर दोबारा से लाइनर टॉप अप करना है ताकि अगर कोई भी गैप है वो फिल हो जाए. So now we're going to use the Divine Mascara. It's one of my favorite products from their range. It actually has a very unique wand and specifically for lower lash line, this is the only mascara I use, even on my brides, because I feel कि जिस तरह का ये feathery और full effect देता है without it being too extreme or clumpy, I don't think there is any other mascara, especially in my kit, that gives the same effect. So we're going to make sure कि जो original lash है वो फॉल्स लैश के साथ ब्लेंड हो रही है. सो what you're going to do is you're going to ask your model or your client to look down, या अगर आप खुद भी अपने ऊपर कर रहे हो इस तरह से आप करोगे एंड दोनों को स्टिक करोगे. सो थिंक ऑफ योर मस्कारा राइट नाउ एज अ ग्लू. आई डोंट लाइक टू पुट ऑन मस्कारा बिफोर डूइंग लैशेस बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट नॉट माई स्टाइल ऑफ मेकअप. बट अगर आपको पहले भी यूज़ करना है, दिस मस्कारा इज़ fabulous. You will literally use it even when you're going to office or you're going to a wedding. This is perfect. Look up. So if you're using the right lash, your eye is going to look more open. Now lower lash line. Lower lash line पे हम थोड़ा सा shadow भी add करेंगे. Only the shadows that we have used ऊपर, just to give the eye a little bit more definition. So you can see with just one coat, her lower lash line is so prominent. And if I do a second coat, which we'll do here first, ये इतने मज़े का full lash effect देता है कि people would stop you and ask you कि आपने कौन सा मस्कारा लगाया है. So now we are on to lipstick. Finally, this is the shade Burgundy 16. It's a beautiful, rich pink shade and it's going to look bomb with this look. Let's start. So obviously we have lined the lips already. You can use any lip liner that you have. And this is one of those shades that even if you have nothing on your eyes, this shade is going to look so good. But obviously since we have done eye makeup as well, so we want to make sure that the lips go with the whole look. So थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मैं obviously directly लगा रही हूँ and the rest of the lips I'm going to fill in with a brush. That's just easier for me as an artist. पर जब आप अपने ऊपर मेकअप कर रहे हो तो just one swipe and ये lipsticks बहुत intense payoff देती हैं. They're very easy to carry and very easy to reapply as well. बहुत सारी लिपस्टिक्स ऐसी होती हैं कि जब आप उन्हें reapply करते हो तो आपके लिप्स में cracks पड़ जाते हैं. But not with this. It's a beautiful formula. It has a slight sheen as well. So आपके लिप्स को ये hydrate भी करेगा. So this is the color I had in mind originally. But अगर आप इस कलर को थोड़ा सा light करना चाहते हो या you are someone who does not wear dark shades, so you can use a shade like this. This is Mandarina from the same collection and आप उसको dab करके color थोड़ा सा light कर सकते हो. The beauty of this lipstick is कि ये बहुत blendable है and 2-3 colors mix करके भी आप एक बड़े मज़े का intense color बना सकते हो. आप subtle रखना चाहते हैं आप उसको subtle कर सकते हो. So you can see थोड़ा सा हमने color light कर दिया. Now we're going to use the quick fix setting spray to make sure कि ये जो हमने इतनी मेहनत की है that stays put for many hours. Obviously always close your eyes and थोड़ा distance से इसको spray करें, बहुत ज़्यादा करीब ना करें. And your hand is a built-in fan in your body. So just dry it like this. कोई भी अगर powder बहुत visible हो रहा है, बहुत harsh lines हैं, this is going to help it. It's really very soothing on the skin. इसकी smell भी बहुत अच्छी है, lasting power भी बहुत अच्छी है. So for me, setting spray is actually an essential step. And just like that, you are Eid ready. I hope you love this look as much as I do. And tag us in your pictures if you recreate this. Have a wonderful Eid. Bye-bye. You can purchase all these products at amrish.pk or any big retailer in Pakistan.